Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we'll see how to use the autofill feature in Microsoft Excel software. So I'll open the software and I'll open a new workbook. So there you have the new workbook called as book 1 and a new worksheet called as sheet 1. Got it. So I'll select one of the cell using the left mouse button to activate it. So to say about the autofill feature, it makes it very easy to enter the data such as names of months or names of week within a few clicks. So let us see how it works. So I'll start typing January in this particular cell. So first select that cell, then come to the right bottom corner of that cell, like here. See, usually you have this kind of cursor you have, right? It has to change to this kind of thin plus. So when you see that, just click there and drag the left mouse button. Got it? Drag with the left mouse button. So within two clicks, you have all the names of the month. And in the same way, we can also go to the right words. I'll click Control Z once. You can also go to, sorry, you have to go horizontally. Okay, I'm having trouble selecting it. Got it right. So you can go anywhere you want. You can go even upwards or leftwards, but usually you'll be going rightwards or downwards, right? When it comes to the name of month. And in the same way, you can also just type in three letters of the word. If not full word, you can use three letters of the word, like Jan for January, and drag it downwards. There you have it. Got it right. And you can also go rightwards or upwards or leftwards, anywhere you can go. This time I'll go rightwards. See, I told you you have to go horizontally, complete horizontally. If you go zigzag, it won't come. Yeah, the plus sign. Mm, Okay, we have it. Got it right. So either full word or three letters of that word. Only three letters of that word will work, not four, not five. We can also get the names of week with this autofill feature. So I have Monday here. So thin plus symbol. When you go to the right bottom corner, now drag it downwards or sorry, rightwards. Got it right. You can also get it with the just three letter like MON for Monday or rightward. Got it right. So it will also work with the quarter one. So we have four quarters in a month. I mean, sorry, year. So quarter one, second, third, fourth, then it will start over. But if you type something like A1 and if you drag, it will keep continuing, not like Q. Q is an exception. Got it right. So you can also do the same thing with the dates. So 10, 12, 2020, drag it. So this is in the USA format where you have first month comes, then comes date, then comes year. So if you want to change it to in Indian style or some other country, or how you follow in your country, you can go to this arrow key here, click on that, then come to date and select your place, then change the date to that format. Okay, you have different format for the dates here. Click on OK, it will come. So this is how you make use of the autofill feature in Microsoft Excel. Very useful. Got it right. Note that only three letters of the word will work if not the full word, not four or five letters of the word. Got it right. So I hope all of you understood the video. Thanks for watching.